Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover TikTok banned account. So guys, if your TikTok account is banned and you're unable to recover it or you don't know how to recover it, here I will show you how can you recover your banned account on TikTok. So guys, if you see this message that says your account was banned, you have to simply tap on appeal button from here, and after this you have to simply explain your problem that you have not violated any community guidelines on TikTok but your account is banned. So guys, you have to simply tap on appeal button, and after this write your appeal in a brief way, and after this you have to simply submit this appeal to the TikTok team and they will review your appeal, and if you have not violated any community guidelines then your account will be back and you will be able to use it again on TikTok. So guys, this is the way to unban or recover your banned account on TikTok. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.